Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Apple gift card on Clash of Clans. So if you want to use your gift card for any purchases or any in-app purchases on Clash of Clans, you simply have to add your gift card to your Apple ID, so you can just transfer the balance. To do that, open up your App Store and then go to your profile on your top right, hit on your profile and then hit on redeem gift card. Simply select the redeem gift card, and here what you're going to do, you're going to redeem the balance from your gift card. So you can either use your camera to take a photo of your gift card, or you can manually enter the card details and then hit on redeem, and then now we will transfer the balance from your gift card to your Apple ID. So it's now linked to your Apple ID. So once it's linked to your Apple ID, you can now simply make any in-app purchases through. If you're using Clash of Clans, you can just open up Clash of Clans and then go make any of your purchase, and it will be and you can complete the purchase using your App Store as you have already transferred the balance. So you can simply hit on the purchase and then complete the purchase through your App Store. So that's how we can use gift card on Clash of Clans through your App Store. So that's pretty much it.